Good morning, grade 6 students. So, all the very best for you for your today's exam. So, we shall see what we learned today. So, we were seeing about adjectives, isn't it? Yes. So, we were seeing adjectives, isn't it? Yeah. So, what is adjective? Yes, very good, super. So, anything that describes a noun, that is called adjectives. So, now I say, now this is a book. This is a red book. So what's the difference between these two sentences? So both are complete sentence. So what's the difference between these two sentences? Yes, so I just say this is a book, and in the second line I give you some additional information about the book. So I say it is a red book. So this is called adjectives, anything that describes the noun. So this is called adjectives. So now under adjectives we see what is attributive. E-T, E-T-T, yeah, attributive. We are going to see what is attributive and predicative. So under adjectives we are going to see attributive and predicative. So what is attributive? So when we place the adjective before the before the noun. So we place the adjective before the noun. Yes, so that is attributive adjectives. So I ate 6 apples. Can you see? It comes before the noun. Yes, so that is attributive adjective. What is predicative? Yes, here we place after the noun. So we place the adjectives after the noun. So for example, this book is old, or this book is torn. So this is the noun and we place it after the nouns. So the adjectives when are placed before the noun is called attributive, and the adjectives that are placed after the nouns are called predicative. So now we will see the types of adjectives that we saw. So first is quality. So what is quality? So adjectives which talk about the quality of a person, things are called adjectives of quality. So for example is, now I am saying this building looks very old. Yeah, it's very old we say, or this building we are giving a quality for it. We say this bread is so fresh, this bread is stale. So that is adjectives of quality. It talks about the quality. For example, this building is old. So I am talking about the quality of the building. And then comes number and quantity. Number and quantity. So here it talks about it talks about the exact number or the quantity of a person, place or things. Now as I told you, I ate 6 apples. So I am telling you the quantity. So I am giving you the quantity. So this is quantity and number. So adjectives of quantity and number. And next we move on to demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative means I am talking about specific person, place or things. So what is specific? I am asking you. So there are 5 pencils. Give me a pen. That is different. But if I tell you take that, yes, give me that white marker. So you have to take the white marker. So that is my book if I say. So only that is your book. So you are telling something very specific. So that is demonstrative adjective. So example, that is my book. And then we'll see what is possessive adjectives. So possessive adjectives means it owns a position. Okay, this is mine. This is my book. So I'm talking, it gives a position. It doesn't mean that this book belongs to anyone. So I am saying that is mine. Yes, it gives a position. I sat in her car. So I'm telling you that I went in her car. So I'm giving a position for that car. So I am saying that belongs to her car. Yes. So example, I sat in her car. So I am giving a position. I am saying that I went in her car. So I am giving a position for that car. So that is possessive adjectives. And last, coming to your interrogative. Sorry. So interrogative adjective. So what is interrogative adjective? Excellent. So when we ask question. So what type of question? Yes. Which cat is yours? Whose books are these? So when you ask a question, that is interrogative adjective. For example, whose books are these? So that is interrogative adjective. So these are our types of adjectives. So first we see quality, which means it gives a quality for that person, place or thing. So example, this building is old. We are talking about the quality of the building. And the second one, adjective of number and quantity. So it gives the exact number, like even we can say few, many, some. So all that comes under number and quantity. So it tells us that how much we have consumed that. Okay, then demonstrative. Demonstrative means when we talk about a specific person, place, person or thing. So that is demonstrative. So I am saying that is my book. I don't say all that is my book. So I am talking about a specific thing. That is my book. And then coming to your possessive adjectives. I sat in her chair. So it gives a position for that person or thing. And then last is your interrogative adjective, which asks questions like what, whose and all that. It is interrogative adjectives. So I hope you are clear with your adjective parts now. So yeah, today I will be sending a worksheet. Please complete it and send it to me. Okay. And all the very best for your exam. And then please don't waste time. Please learn for your exams. Okay, write neatly, follow the instructions and write your exam properly. And then coming to your GK question. So what do you call a male cat? So what do you call a male cat? So find it out and tell it to ma'am in the next class. Take care students. Bye.